Jack was sitting while looking at the photos of Ryan and Jack when his heart was breaking. He didn't accept that for more. He had a son and tears formed into his eyes, but he didn't let them fall. You can go, he said to his for travel, and he looked up. I thought that man would change everything. He entered the house and saw her sitting while smiling. He stopped and saw that she was smiling while looking at Jung. When he looked at the young man, he was talking to someone on the cell phone. I looked at Jung when she got up and smiling, but his face was blank. I was waiting for you, really. He entered the room and took off his jacket. He was burning in anger and jealousy. She entered the room and what happened? Nothing. Then why are you behaving like this? Like what? What's wrong with your tone? That's it, I was literally waiting for you. That was the first, and I was so depressed at the time, but now I decided to be with you. And Min was also waiting for you, but Min can't you talk without taking his name? His tone was harsh. Go and eat with you. He covered his face. He walked out. She came out while having a prank with and sat down. Jungmin sat down beside her. What happened? He is behaving so differently with me. I told you that he wants to marry you again, but you don't believe me, and why he's taking a stand for you against Susie. Never didn't hear what they were talking about, but he was getting good. She's sharing everything with him, and she never tried to talk to me about anything. And what if those photos are true? I can't do anything if she wants to go because I can't live with someone who's in love with someone else. Can you help me to know about that girl? Yes, I don't have a problem. I ate at 7 dinner and now I don't want to eat anything. Good night. She got up and walked to the room. She entered the room and sat down on the bed. He was using his cell phone while covering himself. Did you eat your dinner? Do you care? He didn't want my care. I want fancy, but every person also wants loyalty and love. I can tell you how to give it to me. But will you leave me after that? If you love me, then I will not leave you. Come here. Did you like someone else? No. So it was true that he never loved anyone. She closed her eyes. The story began with the past when Kitty came back and explaining how the misunderstanding happened between them and how they started doubting each other. The next day, Janka was standing in front of Yuzi and she was smiling while looking at him. Why do I believe that you are not mentally unstable? I'm not. I'm just crazy for you and I know you will never leave. Then we will get back together and get out of your dinner world. Because he was sitting beside him, he was staring at him. He was laughing with his friends. Did you see the new girl? Yeah, she's pretty. You want her? Everyone laughed. There's nothing special in her. Why do you even want her? Why do you have a problem? Because I don't like it. Why do you want him to notice you? I was like a sister to him. No, I'm not. He knows that I like him and he always ignores me. She started crying and walked out. And then after that, Janko started so much interested in Ryan. Yuzi started to go crazy for him. She fought with him. She sometimes tried to bully Ryan, but Ryan rejected him. At Ryan smiling, Yuzi was sitting while smiling because she was happy that Ryan was going to marry Jungmin. But suddenly her face fell when she heard about Jungmin's absence. She stared at Janko and he was talking to his dad. He got up and walked towards them. What happened? Extremely is not picking up our calls. It's not important to marry her. Saving reputation is just a excuse. Good, go now. I want to talk to my dad. She walked out. Using her out, Ryan's mind was sinking in pain. He entered the room and his eyes wouldn't after seeing her. He immediately picked her up and ran out. She was in a bad condition, but she survived, and the wedding called off. And on the other hand, Jungmin and I was sitting in front of Jiyoung. Why don't you understand? Jiyoung, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? I will never let you go because I didn't betray me. I didn't betray you. It was our decision. We haven't met for 2 years, but now you are behaving so recklessly. I will not let you go. I sent a message to your family that you want to be with me. And I know what your family arranged a wedding with Janko, but nobody cared. Nobody come between us. Flashback ended and the story began with a misunderstanding between Jungwon was sitting while Kenny was laughing with her other friends. He was looking so black. Why are you looking so depressed like you don't know? Don't overthink that if Kitty is lying, why does she do that? Mary is also not happy. She was going through so much because of music. Come talk to her. This is not good to think negative. He nodded and got up. Well, those photos showed me might be right. We will get back to the next lovers, but here you are still behaving like a child. What's wrong with marrying me? Okay, then we will get married and live happily. Leave alone, you are behaving so childishly. Yanko entered the room and Joanne was sitting there using her cell phone. She looked at him excitedly and is he going to prison? Yeah, I know. What are you doing on your cell phone? I will not tell you. Why are you talking to someone? It's my own friend. She nodded and he laid on beside her. He started seeing what she was posting. He wasn't a doubting person. He trusted her, but he believed that she didn't love him. He fell asleep while seeing what she was doing. She looked at him and touched his face. He opened her eyes. Because my babe, she's saying that I'm still at the party. Frequently calls me one into his cell phone, but sometimes I think that if you don't want me, then why do you act like a jealous person? Because you're my husband. I will not let you cheat at me, and what if I cheat? The next day, Junk wanted his secret house and Katie was sitting there. How do you enter here? He asked because he was shocked to see her there. I have my own way, but I want to show you something. He frowned and put the record in front of her. But this is not true. She should stop doing this. Okay, but your secretary gave me this. I will talk to him now. You can go. She nodded and walked out on his face while looking at the recorder. Jasmine put down the cup and looked at her. I think so. He will not marry again. But he was saying that he would. But now I think he won't. We were just misunderstanding him. We shouldn't think about his past. Many people change after marriage. But he needs a heir. Don't worry about it. She entered the room and he was looking extremely younger. Jungle. He didn't say anything. He doesn't understand anything happened. No. And then why do you start being so toxic? Why do you change? So what do you want from me? You want it like this? He didn't say anything. Grabbed his hands. What's wrong with you? Nothing. Don't leave me. Like I'm trying to grab it. Actually, you don't deserve respect and love because you're an erratic person. I thought I knew a change, but you were always like this. If you hate me so much, then leave me. Okay, I don't have a problem. I hated it when we got married. My life got ruined. It is my mistake. I tried to give you a chance, but you never deserved to not leave me alone. Because of you, I'm living like this. We walked angrily, waving it when she sat down. They both were depressed. They both were doubting each other. In the middle of the night, he entered the room and looked around. She wasn't there. He checked their closet and bathroom. She wasn't there. He was about to go to see where she was, but she came up behind the door and he freezed and started laughing. Well, leave me alone forgot what you said. I was angry, baby. Please visit me off. We both should forget what we have said to each other. Please start a new life. And marry again. I can't leave her. So, that you will marry again one day. I will not, and you don't have to worry about it. When he saw her, he forgot about her. And I hurt you so much because of it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. She smiled. Well, they were like that. They forgot each other and continued. And didn't feel that she was cheating or anything. He just wanted to know what those photos. A month passed. Everything was totally changed between them. They started to part over small matters. And Darlene thought that he had a secret relationship with Katie. There were so many misunderstandings between them. Then they stopped sorting things out. Many things months passed and one was laying on the bed while thinking about him. They didn't talk to each other like they used to do. Dad was hurting her even though their marriage was false, but she remembered how he saved her and she did things for us. Many people accused him, but he was trying to save Lucy, but he wasn't. She why don't you understand? I don't want to understand. I want you. And you became so much obsessed. This is not good. I love you. I want to be with you. She was locked behind the bars and he came to talk to her. His father reported about her. Tell your dad. A week passed and man was sitting while getting groomed by a young maid. He was telling her everything about Junko. He had so many girlfriends in the past and we broke many hearts. Was you also with him in the past? He had a secret relationship. And I don't know about it. I don't know how to do that. And does he still in a contact with some of his exes? Daniel told you that he always fell on them after breakup. But why isn't he picking up your calls? Why is he acting like you don't exist? I have a daughter. One Kitty and him, so what should I do? Don't overthink, first try to talk to him. I was about to say something and then Chiganku entered the house with Kitty, Ganku and Rangaman. We stayed at them and they sat in front of my one that never twisting and it wasn't. Ganku want to talk to you. What do you want to talk about? You can talk in front of me. She lowered it and they started following and are you crying and we asked her. She saw when Nick was looking at her with blank face. My stop it, it was just a joke. She looked at him and Kitty was smiling, yes. And suddenly the light went off. Ganku, she called him and tried to get up into that was just a Frankie and she smiled. And then she felt weird because the music was getting weird. She looked at him and she was looking at him was funny. She looked at the door and music was standing there. She started hugging him out of fear. When opened her eyes and she was in her bed, she had a son. Because that was just her dream. She held her head and looked at herself and she called him. What if it's true? What if he really married someone else? He got the cell phone number got because he didn't pick up the call. All on the other hand, Chandra was sitting in front of Katie and Dylan. The psycho is a separate rich family. They are trying to everything to save her. All those phone recordings were done by Yuzi. She's so crazy. You should go back and talk to your wife. Why does she think this and she knows me? Yuzi is so clever. I hate her. She told Ryan that you were using Yuzi. That's why I rejected you. But this is true. I told you and Yuzi told Ryan this fake story. But you are not sure. The next day, Ryan was sitting at the beautiful place. She was alone in the house. Suddenly, he called her. She didn't know what to do. He didn't pick up his calls, and so she decided not to pick up his calls. He entered the house and stared at her and kept calling her. Why are you not picking up my calls? I was out of curry for important. What is that important work, Katie? But she is my friend. No, she is not. You have a secret relationship with her. And you are hiding it from me, and we don't have anything with her. You have, and you will marry her in the future. A month later, Yuzi was given the test with Uncle and she got the punishment. We didn't do good to me, Uncle. The only mistake I do is to mislove you. Sorry, you're drama. Then they Romeo and was lying while he was lying while using his cell phone, and she was steadily looking at him. They both cleared the misunderstanding between them. His uncle wanted to marry his ex-lover. One was happy with him. 3 years later, they were both blessed with a baby boy.